Hi, my name's Sophia Carey, and today we're doing a 3 photographers shoot the same model, but this time we're doing it with a bit of a twist. Each of us have got £5 and we're going to the pound shop to buy props with that £5. And yeah, I'm with Megan and Andrew, who you might have recognised from another video we did, which was also 2 photographers shoot the same model. Yeah, our model today is called Tom, and we'll be introducing him very shortly. Today I'm shooting on a Canon 16 Mark II with a Sigma 35 1.4.
I'm shooting with the A7 III that's currently filming this and a Sigma 50mm 1.4.
I'm shooting with a Canon 700D with a 35mm f2.
So we're going to go off now and buy our props, and yeah, we'll see you when we're done. That I got was popcorn, £1. Then I bought some water guns, which were also £1. Snickers, which were £1. Some tennis balls, which were £1, and a plastic bag, which was 5p. So I spent £4, 5p.
So I also bought a bag, but I'm not using that, so ignore the 5p. I got a photo frame, some handcuffs, some coloured wool, some clear tape, and to go with the clear tape, some marker pens. So I spent £5.
I didn't pay for my bag. So I got some party boxes. I also got ID'd for them, which is fun. Got a mirror, which was £1. Some tin foil, which was £1. Some bubbles, which was £1. Got some glitter, which was £1. I spent £5.
Alright, I'm Tom James from Birmingham. People know me as a photographer as well by TJ. I'm 23, down in Manchester today with a gang. Gonna get some content, so yeah.
I like that idea of using
Yeah, as like a light leaf. Yeah. I thought she was going to use them to like blow them up.
Yeah, I did.
But it matches this top.
And to be fair as well, there's like another 3 locations.
Okay, so we're done. 2 locations shot for this video here that you have just seen. We've kind of collectively agreed that the best location from this video was the first one, where I did the tennis balls, Megan did the bubbles, and Andrew did the handcuffs. If you want to see the other 2 locations that we filmed, that we shot at, you can head over to Andy's channel and they are over there. So yeah, let us know in the comments which locations you preferred. And as ever, you can check everyone out in the description, all their links, socials, and that will be down there. So yeah, we'll see you next time.